Hi. So now let us see the first application by using closure actually. So the first one is finding additional functional dependencies. Okay. So that means we have already some FDs actually for the relation, and now you are going to derive new one basing on the given FDs actually. So that is what actually the functional dependency X is deriving A is possible if and only if Fx closure contains A actually. So don't bother about this meaning. That will be clear if you understand one simple example. So you can see here R is we have three attributes in this relation R, and these are the two FDs we have actually. Now let us see one simple questions. Is AC deriving B possible or not? And BC deriving A possible or not? So let us cross check them. So very easily you can cross check. So what you have here, AC. So AC closure you just find out. Of course A and C you can add automatically. Now you come to this part. So A deriving B, right? So A is there, LHS part of this FD already there in the set. So RHS part you can add actually. So this is what. Now AC is deriving, you can write down like this. AC is deriving ABC, and by using this decomposition rule, you can write down as AC deriving B actually. So that is what asking, right? Is AC deriving B possible? Yes, it is possible. So this is possible actually. Now same way, let us come here. So this is what one extra additional FD you derived from this part. So that is what X closure contains A. Yes, AC closure contains that B. So you can say this is a valid FD actually. So that you can include in this set actually. Now same way, BC closure deriving A or not. So same way, let us find first of all BC closure. So BC individually first of all. Then, so there is no B individually, there is no C individually in any FD, and together BC also not there. So that means this is what the final closure of BC. Now from this, do you have, that means BC deriving A actually, do you have A in the set? That is what A in the set? No. That is why this is invalid. It is not a valid FD actually. So is BC deriving A possible? No, it is not possible actually. Simple. So that is what additional FDs you can find out very easily by using this closure property actually.